All right, cooking in the Scout Olympic. Because the cooler has a freezer and a refrigerator side, you can bring a lot of good food with you. You can bring a lot of fresh food and you can cook. So I'm using a 2-burner here. I love these Lodge iron skillets. Awesome, I love skillet meals. So good. So I just threw some things together. No crazy recipe here. Nothing very involved. I have some pasta. This is Jovial pasta. If you haven't tried it, it's so good. So it's made out of rice. It's more like having rice and beef for dinner in the shape of a noodle. So I really like it. I also brought some of this. Saw this in the fridge at home. Tomato basil pasta and organic. So I'm gonna put these two together, dump some of the sauce on top, mix it around real good, and have dinner. There's nothing better after a hard, long day outdoors and hiking. It's January, so the weather's kind of cool, a little windy, but this is gonna hit the spot. I love to have a hot cooked meal at the end of a day. So beware that the propane heat, we got the propane stove going, and we got the little fireplace going. So they both use propane. So what does that mean? Let's take a look. I have this thermometer here and look at 95% humidity. Wow. So that's what you get with propane. You get some really moist, warm air. When you run both of these at the same time, yep, you can get the humidity way up. It's more like a sauna now. The windows will kind of fog up a bit, but for the most part, it's warming up in here. I'm gonna get to about 60 maybe, and then hit the bed after a nice hot meal. Thanks for watching.